recording for what we did in class today, which was creating the compositions, or starting to create the compositions for our slap stickers. So just a quick 3-step process that we've been covering the last few classes. So remember, you need to cut out your objects in Photoshop, and you can save them as a PSD file, or you can save them as a JPEG or PNG, and do file place. And I'm going to take just this little lacrosse image guy who was cut out. So here he is. And remember from class, we were doing our tracing options up here. If you don't see those, make sure your workspace is set to layout. And remember, for our project, it has to be between 3 colors and 6 colors. So here's our 3-color trace. And remember, you can click on this little menu here, or you can open the menu by going to the window drop down and image trace. And I'm just going to change him to 6 colors. So there he is at 6 colors. Now, once he is traced, so file place, image trace, the next one is expand. So file place, image trace, expand. Now once you expand it, it makes each of our shapes that we can edit. So we can use the direct select tool. And I would like you to use the direct select tool and remove the background. So now he is transparent. And hold down shift, and we're going to scale him down, and I'm going to put him right over here, kind of in the corner of the sticker. Now, the process is all about composition now. Where do we put the scale and size of the pictures that we took, that we're live tracing, to tell a story? Now, I would like you to use the approved color, Pantone colors from our swatch library over here. So you have gray, dark blue, light blue, orange, red, light green, dark green. These are the brand approved Pantone colors. And then these are the merchandising approved pastel colors. So as you're composing your sticker solutions, let's make sure we do black, white, or any of the approved colors. So I'm going to go in here now with my direct select tool, and I'm going to start coloring in shadows. I'm going to start coloring in the light shapes. And so let's zoom in a little bit. And so all of the dark shapes, I'm going to make the dark color in his helmet. All of the light shapes, I'm going to make the light color in his helmet. And I'm going to leave the other ones white. So here is our gray option. So if we're going to choose the gray color, let's do the gray option. And so you're going to quickly see what palette we get. And so I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to use my direct select. And I'm going to fill in my player with my approved shades. And so now you can start to see the personality of the brand, where the 2 blues are tying to the palette, color palette of Barry. And so let's take the B on his pants and make it blue. And now you can see what's happening. But maybe the second time I do it, I'm going to do file place. I'm going to place the same lacrosse guy. So I'm going to drag and drop him. But this time I'm going to trace him in just 3 colors. And I'm going to expand. And I'm going to direct select the background and get rid of it. So now you can see what it looks like. And so I'm going to put him right about there. I'm going to click on the logo and do Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. And here he is behind the sticker. And now watch the difference when it's only 3 colors. If I pick all of those, I can shade the entire helmet in. If I get in here and pick this shade, I can color the entire jersey in the lighter blue. So now you can see what the difference in trace quality is from 3 color to 6 color. And maybe, because black and white and gray is okay, maybe we place him in 6 colors. So I'm going to place him and keep this image that's a little bit more detailed in grayscale. I'm just going to expand him. And there he is. Oop. So you can start to see the different effects. And so now it's all about scale, proportion, and placement.